by guiding our local government units through Oplan Visto protocols under the NDRRMC, supporting the adoption of local climate change action plans and disaster risk reduction and management plans, establishing the Unified 911 emergency hotline for faster response and building partnerships with organizations like GIZ Philippines and the Climate Change Commission to mainstream resilience and empower our youth. At the Department of Interior and Local Government, we try to strengthen local leadership and governance and empowering our communities. We are really trying to engage the civil society organization, the academe, and the private sectors as we are trying to implement the whole of society and the whole of nation and government approach. To our Muslim brothers and sisters, we affirm that faith and action must go hand in hand. Faith strengthens resolve. Action translates it into change. The DILG stands as your partner in ensuring that no barangay, no family, and no community is left behind. Together, let us build a bagong Pilipinas that is resilient, inclusive, and faithful to our responsibility as caretaker of creation. Muli po, we are doing this because we love the Filipinos and we love our beloved country. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po ang NCMF, ang bumubuo po ng kagawaran po na ito. At muli po, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.